Hello everyone and welcome to the session. By looking at the screen, I hope you all must have guessed it right. We are going to make an electrical circuit. But for that, we will require a few components. Okay, look at the left side of the screen. There are a few electrical components given to us, like a wire, a battery, bulb, resistor, switch, and if you scroll down, there are a few other components that can be used to check whether these substances are insulators or conductors. But for now, we want to prepare a simple electric circuit. So let us use those four things. Number one, a wire. Number two, a cell. Number three, a switch. And number four, a bulb. Let us connect all these four things and prepare a simple circuit. First of all, I'll take a wire. Let me make the frame of the circuit first. Let us use a cell. For now, we are using just one cell. That will be enough to light a bulb. Okay, a switch is missing, right? So let us connect a switch in between. And then the wire connected with the switch. Okay, the circuit is complete now. But still, as you can see, the current is not flowing in the circuit. The bulb is not glowing, right? Why so? Because the switch is still in open condition. Now let us close the switch and let us see what happens. Okay, on closing the switch, we observe that the bulb is glowing and these red arrows are showing the path of the electric current. Now, I want you to focus on two things. Number one, the brightness of the bulb, and number two, the speed of the arrows. That means the speed of the current that is flowing in the circuit. Fine. Now, I want to change the brightness of the bulb. Now, what can I do if I want to increase the brightness? Let us use two cells instead of one. I'm going to open the circuit. Okay, the current has stopped flowing through it. Now let me break this circuit from this point. And I'll use one more cell instead of one. Let us use two cells. Okay, now let us close the switch and let us see what happens. Does it affect the brightness of the bulb or not? Yes. See, the brightness of the bulb has increased and even the speed of the arrows flowing in the circuit has also increased. That means what? The amount of current that is flowing in the circuit has increased. That leads to increase in the brightness of the bulb. Fine, now let us use three cells instead of two. Okay, I'm going to break the circuit from this point. Let me connect one more cell. Okay, now let us close the switch. Okay, the brightness even increased as well as the speed of the arrows also increased. That means as we will increase the number of cells, that will increase the brightness of the bulb. Now the conclusion, if the voltage and the current that is flowing in the circuit increases, then the brightness of the bulb also increases. Okay, and if you reduce the amount of current flowing through the circuit, then that will affect the brightness. It will be dimmer. Okay, now let us connect one more cell and try it out if the brightness of the bulb still increases or not. See, by connecting four cells, the brightness of the bulb still increases and the speed of the current is also increased. So, by increasing the number of cells, we can increase the brightness of the bulb. I hope you understood how this works. Now, if you want to try these simulations out, then the link is provided in the description box. Try it out for yourself. And if you are attending the session for the first time, do not forget to subscribe to the channel. I'll see you in the next one.